Hi viewers, Asma is here on your art channel Virtuoso Palette. Well viewers, I have put the brakes on acrylic paintings for some period and about to give you demonstrations on sketching portraits with charcoal pencils and sticks. For the subject, I have chosen the masters of arts from different eras. So let's go to look, watch and observe.
Seventh portrait on Virtuoso Palette is of a marvelous artist, Pablo Picasso, a Spanish painter, sculptor, printmaker, ceramicist, and theatre designer who spent most of his adult life in France. Picasso is one of the greatest artists of the 20th century, famous for paintings like Guernica and for the art movement known as Cubism. Viewers, Guernica means formerly the seat of a Basque parliament that was destroyed in 1937 by German bombers during the Spanish Civil War. The event was depicted by Picasso. Now you can see that I started with the initial lines, the contour lines for the face. As in charcoal, details are added gradually through volumes of darks and lights. Viewers, I don't use a blending stump while sketching in charcoal and create mid-volumes using my finger on the charcoal and lighter volumes with a kneaded eraser. Viewers, I have tried to pay a tribute to this remarkable artist. Keep watching Virtuoso Palette to know about some stunning art creators in the world.
Viewers, I can only make a wish that you enjoyed the new medium. Keep watching and sharing Virtuoso Palette with family and friends. Take care.